Hi friends, welcome to Techie Study and Azure DevOps series. Today we are going to discuss about how to configure the Azure DevOps in Azure Data Factory. Okay. So in previous session we have configured a Microsoft Entra default directory from Azure portal to our DevOps account. So if you want to see that, I will add the video in iCard. Please watch it. Okay. So now, how to configure, set up the code repository to our data factory, Azure DevOps Git repository. Okay. Here, set up code repository. Here also we can configure. Okay, Azure DevOps or Git. Otherwise, here under manage, here Git configuration we have. We can configure here as well. Click on configure. Azure DevOps. Our is default directory. We have already mapped with our DevOps account with Azure portal. Click next. So this is our organization name and project name. Project name also is Data Factory, Azure Data Factory project is the project name. So repository also same. Okay. So collaboration branch. We don't have collaboration branch. Let's create it. New collaboration branch. Create it. Main branch as a collaboration. Okay. ID of publish branch. Import is not required. As we saw previously, where Git configuration. Now we are doing the Azure DevOps configuration. Let me show you. So we don't have collaboration branch in our Git repository. This is the organization, our project. So what are the repositories we have here right now? Okay. So main branch is there. Apart from that, nothing. So let's go ahead and publish and see. Collaboration branch is nothing but the select the branch name where you will collaborate with others and from which you publish. Okay, let's create main branch. Let it be apply. And publish branch is nothing but the publish branch is the branch your repository where publishing related to ARM templates and stored and updated. I said right previous introduction. So under ADF publish branch, it will generate the ARM templates. Based upon ARM templates, our deployment will happen. Okay. So when it will create ARM templates, whenever you will push the changes, publish the changes in main branch, then only it will publish the changes and automatically it will generate the ARM templates. Right. Here nothing we have. Let me publish. Here we don't have any pipelines, nothing. So hence it's not giving. So in future sessions maybe we will create one pipeline and we will check it. Okay. This is about how to configure Azure DevOps account repository to our data factory. Right. So coming session we will check for how to create a pull request and how to merge those uh, topics we can cover in future sessions. If you're watching first time, please subscribe my channel to get new notifications and share it to your friends and comment, like, do it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.